Welcome back to Board Time Garage, everyone. This is a story about doing things twice. I come out here today and I'm looking at this ugly thing I added on here, and then I realized, did I ever put the hood on this car and test the fit of the rad? And no. So anyway, the rad's in, and that looks okay to me. Doesn't hit the hood. Now, let's flip around under here. I don't know if we can see anything under here. Get the light. Okay, so this white line was the original rad support, which I cut off because it was all rusted on the bottom. And I knew this rad wasn't going to fit. So now, I mean, there we go. I don't need all this. This is going to come off. We're going to redo this. Or I'm going to cut the flange off. I'm going to bend this around because clearly we have just almost enough clearance here. Transmission lines are going to line up perfectly here. So I guess this is body work. I was talking to my sister and I didn't say I was going to do some body work today, so here we are. Right? Valiant effort. Maybe I should have checked for clearances before I started making modifications, huh? Anyways. Yeah. We'll get this fixed up today, and then maybe we'll start working on those back quarter panels, see? I don't move as good as I used to could. So there's the 440. It's in the car. I'm kind of happy with where it is. We're going to get it wired and plumbed. And look for a video of a startup here coming up. I don't know when. Sooner than later, hopefully. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to Borrowed Time and Board Time Garage.